Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. You are working with this data set and you need to add blank rows to your data. So instead of doing this, coming here to do this, which is going to take your time. Imagine you have about a hundred items in this row. You have to start doing that one after the other. So instead of going through that route, let's undo what we've done. So an easy peasy way to go about it is to start do this. Go to the next column and itemize your numbers. So you have 1 to 6, copy it and paste it down into 1 to 6. Right? So once you've achieved this, so come here and filter. So once you filter, right click on this drop down and click on sort smallest to largest. Smallest to largest, it gives you this, and then you can go ahead and delete this row. So what you've actually done is you've added extra rows to this data. I hope this helps someone out there. So for more insights like this and more cheat codes like this on Excel, do reach out to my YouTube channel, Salako the Analyst. If you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. Thank you guys. I love you.